Have you ever bought a Lightning to USB cable that you thought was authentic, only to have it stop working within a week or two? RealFeit is here to show you how to spot the fake. Stay tuned! Let's begin by examining the major differences on the outside of the boxes. The real and authentic Lightning to USB cable box has the iconic Apple logo, followed by the length of the cable, and then the product image is printed in a high quality, semi-matte, and almost 3D rendering. The counterfeit Lightning to USB box has no Apple logo, the length of the cord is missing, and the product image is really low quality, slightly faded, and very flat. Moving to the bottom, the real Lightning to USB cable box has a printed sticker with the model number, UPC, and other product information. The counterfeit box has identical information on it, however the language is directly printed on the box, something that is a cheap cost-saving option during the production of these replica boxes. On the back of the box, the real cable has the Apple corporate information printed at the bottom, while the counterfeit is blank. As we go ahead and open the boxes, we can immediately tell one major difference. Just by opening the real Apple cable, you'll notice that there is the Apple 1-year limited warranty, and there is also the Apple certification and compliance. This information is right in the box, and the counterfeit does not have that information at all. There's nothing inside the counterfeit box. Moving on to the cable itself, the real Lightning to USB cable is tightly wrapped around a paper packing and then secured in place with 2 flaps, while the counterfeit cord is just wrapped loosely in a plastic tube. Continuing with looking at the cable, the real Lightning to USB cable has fine printed details that contain the Apple corporate information right on the cord. And the fake cord does not have any printed information on it at all. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the actual ink on the USB part. As you can see, the real cord is very fine and thin, while the fake cord is very thick and almost bleeding. Looking at the actual USB part itself, you can see that the fake cord has the little notch right here as well, and the real cord does not have that notch. Next, we're going to look at the actual silver on the USB part. It's kind of hard to tell in the video. Let's see if I can get a close-up. The real cord is very smooth, and the counterfeit cord is coarse and grainy. There we go, you can see it right there. It's pretty grainy. Finally, and one of the most notable differences, is that the Lightning portion of the real cable has rounded corners and it appears to be laser cut. The counterfeit cable has choppy, uneven square corners and shows signs of the piece comprising of multiple individual components. I hope we've helped you spot the counterfeits and enabled you to find the real fit indicators. If you have suggestions for future comparisons, or if we missed something, please feel free to comment below. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. RealFeit will bring you weekly videos to help you maintain the value of your money by spotting the counterfeits.